Welcome to Autumn Toolbox DIYers. We have a lot of very important home maintenance tasks to cover this month of October, so let's jump right in with the 5 routine tasks we perform every month. We check our GFCI outlets, we test our smoke detectors, our alarm system, we change our HVAC filters, and we change our water filters. If you'd like more details on those 5 routine tasks, we covered those in our January episode. I'll link to those down below and also up here in the corner. Also this month, we need to perform our quarterly pest control. So pick up the phone or pick up your equipment and get that knocked out sometime this month. Now, before we go any farther, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And when this video is over, please leave me a comment down below to let me know how I'm doing here. I want to make sure you're getting value out of this video series. And also, please don't forget to visit toolboxdiy.com/home-maintenance, where you'll find a downloadable checklist for every month. Okay, the first major task of this month is to perform a pre-winter inspection, and this is actually quite simple. The first subtask of this is to have your HVAC system inspected by a professional. I usually pay around $120 for this service, and it is well worth it. I want to get in front of problems now rather than in the middle of winter and compete with all the other poor souls who had their heating system fail in the middle of winter. After a winter storm, those HVAC techs can get really backed up, so this is a nice way to avoid a major inconvenience. Next, we want to go around to all the windows and do an inspection of the weather stripping around our windows. We're looking for any torn strips or gaps or holes or anything that might let in the cold air. As you perform your inspection, take notes of what needs attention so you can create your buy list for the hardware store. During my inspection this year, I found some torn weather stripping that I know is going to let in a nice cold draft, so I'm getting that replaced very soon. This is a great lead into the next task. Since you'll be going around to every window and doing an inspection, this is a great time to clean the window weep holes as well as lubricating your windows. I like to do this before winter. That way if there's any snow that accumulates up against those weep holes, we know they're clear and they'll drain out when the snow finally melts. Also, if you do it now, you probably won't have to worry about it in spring during the rainy season. Next up for this month is to clean and polish any hardware, especially outdoor hardware. Now I do this in the fall not only to procrastinate raking the leaves, but also I want to get ahead of the harsh winter conditions and potential exposure to salt. Now, exposure to salt is not a big issue down here in Atlanta, but it can be a problem for my friends up north. So examples of hardware might be this metal mailbox, this railing, any gate hardware, pretty much anything outside that's metal and could be prone to rust or corrosion. On this metal railing here, I do a full clean and passivation every year since it is stainless steel. For more information on passivation and what it is, you can refer to one of my other videos, which I'll link to up here. Before I forget, one other thing we do this month is to reverse the direction of our ceiling fans. In winter, we want those to rotate clockwise. That helps push the heated air down rather than keeping it trapped up near the ceiling. Now, this is entirely optional, but it can help you save money by reversing that direction and running those fans at low speed. Lastly, this month, we are going to go into the garage and take care of our garage door. We are going to inspect all the moving parts and we are going to lubricate all of the moving parts. Now this is something that you can hire out to a professional, but it's actually quite easy and I think most people can do this themselves. In fact, I have another video on this as well that I'll link to up here that'll go through the entire process. Okay everyone, that'll do it for this month. I hope you enjoy your Halloween and I will see you soon thereafter so we can cover November, which is one of the most important months because we cover the winterization process. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Chris with Toolbox DIY.